Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my everyday salad dressing recipe. This is my go-to salad dressing and it's really yummy. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. They are just really simple and basic ingredients, and you probably have this sitting in your kitchen right now. So I'm going to list all the ingredients down in the description box. Be sure to check it out. So we are going to jump right into this really yummy salad dressing recipe. I probably do this every other day. Start off, I'm just going to add in my mayonnaise into a bowl like this one, my mixing bowl. Next, I'm adding some condensed milk. I used about 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Of course, you can alternate this to suit your personal preference. I'm adding in a little bit of olive oil. Next, I'm going in with some white pepper, a pinch of salt, and some freshly shredded dill. I just chopped this with my kitchen scissors. So I'm just drizzling in about a quarter lime, and guys, this comes together really beautifully. I love how simple this recipe is. Then I'm going to mix everything up. You can see how nice and creamy it's looking already. Of course, you can whisk this up with an immersion blender or a spoon. I'm going in with a silicone spatula, whatever works for you. So having the right salad dressing is really important to ensure that you include those veggies in your diet. You want a really yummy and creamy salad dressing like this. So depending on how creamy you love your salad dressing, at this point you can totally go in with some more olive oil and a little bit of white vinegar as well, just to lighten up the salad dressing. That is if you want your dressing more runny. I usually like mine really creamy, so I just went in with about a tablespoon of white vinegar and I added in a little bit of that olive oil. It totally depends on your personal preference. If you want your salad dressing or your salad cream more runny, you can totally add in some more olive oil and vinegar. So you know how sometimes salad dressing can be too salty or too sour or too kind of tangy. This recipe gives you that right yummy balance that you're looking for, and trust me, this dressing goes with anything and everything. I took just about 5 minutes or so to put this together. It was so easy. This is my go-to salad dressing. Days you don't want to stress, you just want to have that bowl of veggies with some nice yummy salad. Trust me, this is the salad dressing you want to try. So I hope you're going to be trying this out. This is my everyday, my go-to salad dressing, and it goes typically with anything and everything. It's so yummy, it's so delicious. I hope you're going to be trying this out. Please ensure that you wash all your veggies and food produce properly with water and vinegar before using, to avoid any contamination and food poisoning, okay? Please do so, and don't forget to leave your feedback down in the comment section, okay? Let me know how this turned out and how you enjoy this yummy and delicious salad dressing. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye guys.